Charity D. Guzman, Certified Nursing Assistant. I hope it's the starting of my dream come true. Thanks a lot to Golden Gate School. It changed my believing na I'm not go to school before, but now I'm here. I'm not have experience before in the Philippines, but they accept me. So I'm thankful to the Golden Gate School Institute because I'm here and I'm proud to myself. I recommended the Golden Gate School to all my friends because they changing my life, and I hope I changing my career soon. Ngayon ay certified nursing assistant na ako.
Joylet Atubuka Shilaho, CNA. Very good. I've been holding my hand since I came here to study CNA. They have taught me everything that I didn't know about CNA, and I've learned a lot. And I know when I go out there, I'll be able to help many people who need my help as a CNA. I feel so excited because I've been waiting for this for too long. So I feel so happy. I can just say thank you. Thank you to my teachers. Thank you to everyone who supported me throughout this journey. It wasn't easy, but they made it easy for me. So I'll say thank you. I'll tell them to try and come to do this course here in Golden Gate because it is a very nice place and they'll learn a lot from this place. Now I'm certified nursing assistant.
Mary Joy de Chavez. I'm 42 years old. As of now, I'm working in the food establishment, which is a restaurant, and it's an Iranian restaurant. I don't have any experience. Actually, I don't want to work before as a medical team. I become interested because I want to change my career like that. Amazing. Kasi talagang nag-guide sa'yo, and then every now and then mini-message ka if ever na may mga changes sa schedule, and tuwing may class, sobrang happy. At saka sa tulong din ng Golden Gate yun, kasi sobrang pag-guide nila and pagre-remind sa nalalapit na exam natin. Actually, marami na akong institute na tinry before, and nag-back out ako kasi iba eh. Pero pagdating ko dito, sobrang nag-guide talaga ako. At totoo. Tsaka naging interested talaga ako mag-join dito. At saka sa class, wala akong masasabi. Magiging comfortable ka. Tsaka matututo. Talagang sila nag-a-advise and nag-guide sa'yo ng maayos. And now, I'm certified nursing assistant.
Rowena Garcia, nursing assistant. Here in Golden Gate, I learned a lot. Employee here is so good. Maganda ang patakbo ng company nila. Natuto ko na lahat ng mga dapat matutunan. And I'm proud to be a nurse assistant. It's my passion. That's why I want to learn more and more here in the Golden Gate. I'm assistant of actress in France. Like I also a clerk. It's very easy. And kailangan talaga mag-aral. Pero lahat naman nakasuporta sila. Mag-aral lang maigi. At madali lang. Napakadali. Punta kayo dito sa Golden Gate at matututo kayo ng tamang pamamaraan kung paano ang gagawin para maging nursing assistant. And I'm proud to be a student here in Golden Gate. I'm so happy. Sinabi ko nga, ang pagiging nursing assistant is my passion I want to become nurse, but I'm 54, kahit na 54 ka na, gagawin natin na na bali walang kinalaman ng age. Kung gusto mo matuto, kung meron kang passion, mag-aral kayo. Kahit ang edad ko is 54, talagang nag-aral ako. Kasi mas maganda ang may pinag-aralan. Ngayon, certified nursing assistant na ako. Thank you!
Ako po si Roldan Nagdaparan, nursing assistant at saka caregiver po. Napakaganda po sa akin kasi isang knowledge na naman po yung na-achieve ko dito at saka magagamit ko rin po sa balang araw. Hindi naman po kasi maganda yung guide ng mga staff nila sa amin. Tsaka lahat po, satisfied po ako sa kanila. Mababait po sila, tsaka talagang inaasikaso po kami lahat. Para sa, lalo na po sa pagdating ng exams, ginaguide po nila kami para po makapasa po kami sa exams. Hinihikayat po kayo na mag-enroll dito sa Golden Gate kasi napakagandang opportunity po para sa inyo, lalo na dito tayo sa Dubai, isang napakagandang opportunity din at magagamit natin sa hindi lang dito o may chance kayo po sa ibang bansa. Yun, napakasaya po. May halong emosyonal. Siyempre, lahat naman tayo dito naghihirap. At saka, siyempre, yung gastos. Isa na rin yun. Pero, yung gastos nandun na yun. Later on, babawi ka. Babalik sa atin. Lalo na pag nasa ibang bansa na naman tayo. Halimbawa, nasa US. Lahat naman tayo siguro, hindi lang Dubai yung pangarap natin na puntahan. Yung iba sa atin, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, whatever. Kung saan yung may magandang opportunity, magandang lugar para sa atin, kung saan tayo satisfied, yun. Maraming salamat po. Salamat Golden Gate sa opportunity at tulong nyo po sa amin, lalo na sa mga kapwa ko na nag-graduate din at saka yung previous na nag-graduate at sa inyo din po na willing mag-enroll dito. Welcome po kayo sa kanila at talagang entertainin kayo lahat ng itatanong nyo, supportive po sila. Ngayon, certified nursing assistant na ako.
I am Francis Estrada. I'm 44 years old. Certified nursing assistant. Actually, journey ko sa Golden Gate is like easy kasi I have a lot of day offs. About sa staff sa Golden Gate, they are very helpful, accommodating, and they help you how to schedule your time. They're very helpful in case na may free time ka. They will make it sure na there are instructor available also. Actually, it's like easy. Golden Gate staff is very helpful to help you regarding the preparation for the exam. So during the exam itself, it's a little bit easy. Okay, if you are interested to take CNA, choose Golden Gate kasi regarding sa oras, they are flexible and the staff are very accommodating. Ngayon, certified nursing assistant na ako.
Thank you, Golden Gate Educational and Training Institute, your gateway to a golden future.